Every t-shirt begins here, in the cotton fields. Every t-shirt begins here, in the cotton fields. Modern machines harvest thousands of plants in minutes. Loose fibers are gathered and compressed immediately. The harvest is shaped into transportable cotton modules. Next, the cotton begins its journey to processing. Each module holds thousands of kilograms of raw fiber. The harvest moves toward the first stage of industry. The cotton gin prepares raw fiber for textile factories. Every load is measured before processing begins.
All right, bring it forward to the intake. Clear the path, module incoming.
The raw fiber begins its mechanical journey. Machines separate fiber from field debris. Air systems move fiber quickly across the facility. Cleaning prepares cotton for textile production. Clean fiber is compressed for safe transport. Each bale is tracked through the global textile chain. Now the cotton waits for the textile mills. The journey to becoming a t-shirt truly begins. Raw cotton now travels toward the textile industry. Inside these mills, cotton begins transforming into fabric. Every delivery enters a tightly controlled production chain. The cotton arrives where fiber meets machinery. Dock crews prepare the raw material for unloading. The fiber moves one step closer to transformation. Automation takes over the heavy lifting. This is where fiber begins its mechanical life. Compressed fiber returns to its natural form. Different cotton batches are blended for consistency. Uniform fiber ensures uniform fabric.
Machines gently untangle the natural fibers.
Carding aligns fibers into smooth strands. The fibers organize into long, continuous slivers. Preparation for spinning has begun. Precision alignment strengthens the future yarn. The fiber is now ready for its next transformation. Next, fiber becomes thread. Behind these walls, cotton begins its transformation. Hundreds of skilled workers keep the machines moving. Safety gear is essential in every textile facility. Beyond these doors, the real production begins. Here, cotton fibers are spun into yarn. Thousands of threads are formed simultaneously. Automation ensures continuous thread production. Next comes the creation of fabric. Yarn becomes fabric through precision knitting. Thousands of needles weave the yarn together. This soft fabric will soon become clothing. Every meter must remain perfectly consistent. Inspection ensures quality before cutting begins. Only flawless fabric moves forward. Each roll is tracked through the production chain. Next, color and texture are added. The fabric prepares for its color transformation. Coloring the fabric begins here. Color penetrates deep into the cotton fibers. Temperature and chemistry control the final shade. Precision control ensures color consistency. The dye bath saturates every thread. Excess dye is removed in controlled cycles. Rinsing locks the color into the cotton. The fabric leaves the dye bath fully saturated. Heavy rollers remove excess moisture. Heat prepares the fabric for finishing. Controlled heat removes remaining moisture. Dry fabric is prepared for precise finishing. Even tension ensures uniform garment cutting. Quality checks protect every future t-shirt. Even small imperfections are tracked. Exact measurements guide the next stage. Fabric is prepared for garment production. Each roll carries its manufacturing history. Next, fabric becomes the shape of clothing. This is where fabric begins to take shape. Preparation begins with careful fabric spreading. Layer after layer builds the cutting stack. Precision layers ensure identical garments. Digital patterns guide the cutting process. Automation slices through dozens of layers at once. Every piece must match the design exactly. Individual components now move to assembly. Every part of the garment is separated. Collars require flexible ribbed material. Each bundle represents a future t-shirt. Assembly now begins. Precision stitching turns pieces into clothing. The first seams create the garment structure. Sleeves connect to form the familiar shape. Piece by piece, the shirt takes form. The collar defines the final silhouette. Assembly is complete. Now the garments move into finishing. Air systems remove leftover fibers. Heat and pressure shape every garment. Steam relaxes the cotton fibers. Uniform shape ensures identical sizing. Controlled airflow completes the shaping. Cooling locks the shape in place.
Looks good.
Human eyes confirm machine precision. Many shirts receive their final identity here. Ink bonds to fabric through pressure. Heat permanently fixes the design. Temperature control protects fabric and print. The design is now permanently bonded. Small details complete the garment. Automation prepares the shirts for packaging. Perfect folds happen in seconds. Finished garments gather for final preparation. Each shirt now enters the final production stages. Automation now directs each garment. Every shirt carries a digital identity. Robotic systems organize production instantly. A network of conveyors keeps production flowing. Precision counting prepares shipment batches. Perfect alignment improves packaging efficiency. Robots handle garments with consistent precision. Protective wrapping preserves product quality. Packaging begins on the automated line. Every package receives its retail identity. Information travels with every product. Shipping cartons take shape automatically. Robots load cartons with exact precision. Weight checks confirm accurate packing. Sealed cartons prepare for shipment. Final verification secures the logistics chain. Pallet stacks prepare for warehouse storage. Production now moves into storage and distribution. From production, the shirts enter the logistics system. Forklifts move finished goods through the warehouse. Every pallet is carefully organized. Digital tracking manages millions of garments. Orders trigger the next movement. Picking A305. Now for B112. Sorting lines prepare shipments for customers. Each pallet matches a shipment order. Protective wrapping secures the cargo. Shipping data connects factory to customer.
Each pallet receives its travel identity.
The journey towards stores begins. Distribution moves garments across the world. Logistics teams prepare the final stage. Transport vehicles await the finished goods. Cartons are loaded for distribution.
Line this one up tight. Got it. Pushing forward. Last one at the entrance.
Efficient packing ensures safe transport. The finished shirts are ready for the world. Before shipment, samples undergo strict testing. Every batch is inspected for consistency. Weight determines the feel of the fabric. Strength tests ensure durability. Color must match exact standards. Repeated washing reveals fabric performance. Shrink resistance protects garment size. Measurements confirm size stability. Seams must withstand daily wear. Elasticity ensures lasting comfort. Microscopic analysis confirms fiber quality. Prints must survive everyday wear. Sunlight resistance protects the color. Approved garments move forward. Digital systems track every batch. Quality clearance reconnects with production. Quality clearance reconnects with production.
Dispatch teams, begin loading. Now the factory prepares for dispatch.
The final stage is distribution. Every shipment is carefully secured. Thousands of garments travel together.
Stability protects the shipment on the road.
Now the products begin their journey. The factory's work is complete. From factory floor to global markets. Modern logistics moves products across continents. Distribution centers spread the supply worldwide. Inside each box lies the finished product. From raw cotton to everyday clothing. A simple garment built through complex industry. Behind every shirt is an entire production chain. Production continues every single day.
And this is how modern factories produce t-shirts from start to finish.
Millions of garments move through systems like this. A journey from cotton field to finished clothing.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.